Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at BABA. I've been told there is no resistance up in this area, and I'm going to show you what I'm seeing. We had it short as a day trade, BABA, up in the 104 area, 103 area. We had a gap fill around 103. We had a gap fill around 104, and then we had high pivots at 105.16. This thing needs to giddy up here to keep going. After a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-point move up, or 7 days of moving up into a big area, you want to get short for a short-term trade. That's it. If this pulls back a buck or two, I'm out. That's it. Taking the profits and running. I don't care. There's 5,000 other stocks out there that you can trade. Why the heck would I want to sit in this when I can make a couple grand and get out? Pretty simple. If it moves up, I'll add a little bit more. Weekly chart. The reason why I'll add at 105.05, you have a huge breakdown bar with volume. Anyone who bought up in here, and you have another one down in here, not a lot of volume on that one, but this one, massive volume. This is a weekly candle. So whoever was buying up here got left holding the bag, down, down, and finally you're back up into this area again. I would hope that guy holding at 104 or so would be a seller, because if you sat in this thing for a year and a half and got the break even, what a great trade. And now you're going to hope this thing goes up to maybe 1.8, and then you have 110 up in this area, the next big breakdown area. Hello? You know, it's just like Tesla. It's going to go straight up. If it does, it's going to hit this area and then go straight back down. And the same guy that didn't take a little bit of profit, he's going to be holding for another 2 years. StockBookie does not do this. StockBookie takes small gains and gets the hell out. It's pretty simple. You rack up a bunch of gains, and by the end of the year, you make money. It's pretty simple. It doesn't take a rocket scientist. And here's the other reason, the monthly chart. If you take a fib from the bottom to the top, you have the 618, which is the big Fibonacci. You had the pivot. That's why, actually right down in here, the 86 level was the big area. Until we got above that, then we could possibly move to the 96.11, which we did. We hit the 100 even number. It pulled back a little bit, and boom, next month we're starting to march. We marched all the way into the 104.45. Well, actually, we missed it about 15 cents. But stocks love to go to the 618, and with these complacent markets, light volume crap, they tend to float to the 750. And if it continues up, I'm thinking 110 is your max move up here. 110 will be it. If you are long, you better take some profits, or you will be holding the bag again. Imagine all the bag holders right here. They're all become sellers, and that's it. You start hitting these big retrace areas, breakdown bar. You go to the weekly, you have a huge breakdown bar there as well. Gosh, guys, you got to get out of this thing, or at least protect your position. So next thing you know, it's going straight down. And we're right in the window of the whole thing breaking down. The SPY, the IWM, the Qs. The only thing holding this thing up is the light volume, period. All right, that's it for BABA. I mean, honestly, you could go up a little bit more, but I put on short position today, short maybe for a couple days, maybe for tomorrow, but I will hold. If we do get confirmation over this area on a weekly close, I'll probably just stop out. I'll see if it gets to the 105 or so. If it gets above there, then I'll probably just stop out. And if it gets to 110, I'll reshort it again and do it that way. But yeah, I mean, on a weekly chart, you'd like to see more consolidation. You know, boom, 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 and then a blast off 2 days and then a rip. No way. That's a BS rip right there. That's getting everybody in here, and you're going to be a bag holder. I'm telling you. If you do not get above this red bar and confirm, this one's going to be in trouble. If the SPY, the IWM, Qs, the Dow, IYT starts to dump, this one's going with it, I promise you. All right, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Hopefully this helps some of you. Again, big resistance here on the monthly as well. Monthly is a bigger time frame, so it can get through here, but it's starting to get a move away from this 20 moving average as well. You can't get too far from there. It's got to come back in. The weekly as well, and the daily too is now starting to get stretched as well. But you'll get a short-term pullback, and then you might possibly continue up. You got to match it up with the markets. Thanks again for watching my videos. Hopefully that helps some of you. Take care. God bless. See you on the charts.